The vitamin A in avocados restores collagen to your skin. Vitamin E and C will protect your skin from sun damage. Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. The enzyme activity in honey enables it to penetrate deeply into the skin and brings hydration to the underlying layers. The trace minerals in sea salt include magnesium, calcium, sodium, and potassium, all of which aid in optimal skin health and function. Dr.Moon Skincare is suitable for both men and women, with very lightly fragranced, with the fresh, outdoorsy smell from the products. Dr.Moon, bringing you quality products with 100% natural ingredients that you can trust. Glow, smooth, silky, fresh. Beauty is what you get. Dr.Moon don't practice animal testings. Unlock your confidence.